Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to convert USDT to FDUSD on Binance. It's very easy. First you can open your Binance apps and then go to your search box here in the top. Then you can search convert and then search it and you will find convert here. You can click it, and in this page you can convert your USDT to FDUSD. Make sure in the top you choose USDT, and then in the bottom here you change to FDUSD, this one. Then you can put the amount. I will max it, and then click trade, and then click confirm. You can see the preview. Click confirm, and it's done. That's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.